everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and easy 2-ingredient cake. I have 4 eggs, 1.5 cup chocolate chip, and I am using Lilly dark chocolate chip, no sugar added. Okay, you can use any brand of your choice. Because one bag is about a little bit over 1 cup, so I have to use one of the dark one and one of the milk chocolate one to mix them together to make 1.5 cup. So I will add that into a microwave safe bowl, and then we'll heat or melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 1 minute first. If it's not melting enough, then I will add in about 20 seconds or so. It depends on your microwave temperature as well. While we're waiting for the chocolate, I will break the eggs and then separate the white from the yellow. If you find value or enjoy my video, please give this video a thumbs up. It does really make a big difference in my video on my channel. And subscribe to my channel for more upcoming easy and delicious recipes just like this. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you all. Okay, we'll add the yellow into the bowl and then continue with all the eggs. Yeah, sometimes I did drop some of the yellow egg into the white, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? You can just do what you can do as much as you can. Look at this one. Oh wow, drop almost half of the yellow egg in there, but that's okay. I will use my finger to scoop out of that egg yolk, the big part of the egg yolk, but the other one I just leave it like that. And after 1 minute and 15 to 20 seconds in the microwave, I take it out and use a fork to whisk until it all melting like that. And then I will add in the egg yolk. For the melting process, it depends on your microwave to see how hot it is, okay? Then I will use my fork to whisk everything together and leave that up aside. Now we'll beat the egg white up. We'll beat until it becoming fluffy, foaming like so. Then I will add it into the chocolate and gently fold it. I'm not sure why, but when we add the egg yolk in there and we stir the chocolate, it becomes hardened a little bit. But once I add all of the white egg in there, I will use my electric hand mixer to beat it up to mix everything together. Because I find that if you use spatula or fork, then it's really a little bit hard to mix them together. So I will cut a parchment paper to put on the bottom of my oven safe bowl or cake pan. Then I will add the batter in there. And now spread it evenly. And look like the parchment paper is too high, and I will cut the top one off so it will be easier for you to see or for it to bake evenly. It will go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven temperature is. So after 25-26 minutes and my cake just look like this. I let it cool down for about 5 minutes before cutting it. And I will cut them into slices. I cut into 6 slices. Can you believe it? Only 2 ingredients you can make such a beautiful and delicious cake. Wow, I can't believe it. Now we'll cut them, then we'll serve it. You can use any cream cheese or any topping for it. I'm just basically mix 1 cup of heavy whipping cream with a tablespoon or so of sugar, and then beat that up until it's creamy and fluffy. My kid love green color, so look at that. It's so fluffy, bouncy. That looks good. So we'll add in the topping a little bit on the top. If you don't like it, just eat as it is or use any of your favorite topping. That is fine. So we'll spread that a little bit. Wow, look at that. Only 2 ingredients, everybody. Now we'll taste it. Once you eat it, it's just like brownie, fudgy. You know what it feels like, right? So I hope you enjoy it. Give this recipe a try. What do you think of this recipe? Leave me a comment below.